Alright everybody, welcome to Code Levelers. Today we are going to solve the problem of the day as usual. Today's problem is number 2696, which is an easy problem. Uh, the title is minimum string length after removing substrings. You are given a string S containing only of uppercase English letters and apply some operations to this shared string, wherein one operation you can remove any occurrence of one of the substrings A, B or C, D from S, return the minimum possible length of the resulting string you can obtain. Okay. Note the string concatenates after removing the substring and could produce new A, B or C, D substrings. Okay. Guys, we are asked to remove the substrings A, B or C, D from the string, okay, and returning its minimum possible length if it can. Okay, so the topics we are given here are string, stack and simulation. Okay, this is going to be an easy problem, I think. So we are given the string A, B, F, C, A, C, D, B. Okay, we are going to remove A, B and after C, D iteratively. So okay guys, I think why we are going to use stack here, because we are going to add character by character into the stack by checking any values, okay, iteratively. So let's start the I will just first conclude how this works. Okay, A, B, F, just in case, C, A, C, D, B. So we are asked to remove the substrings A, B or C, D. So first it will become like, first we see when we after we remove A, B, it will become F, C, A, C, D, B. Okay, then again it will become like after we iteratively check for CD, we will get CD when we check for iteratively F, C, A, C and DB. Sorry, after we remove this will become this, like this, and then once again we get AB, so we remove AB, so FC. So the minimum size we get here is 2. So let's solve this by using the stack. Let's initialize this first, not integer, it should be string, character stack, y big names we are going to use here, new, obviously we know what we are using, so let's don't waste time the namings, and I'm going to iterate through this. S dot length I plus plus, sorry, and close the bracket here, and I'm going to iterate through this by initializing a condition. So I told, right, we are going to remove this substrings, so I'm going to use stack to add character by character by checking the previous character and the adding character. Okay, if the previous character is A and the next character which we are going to add is B, we are going to pop A and continue it. Okay, that's what my approach is. Okay, let's create a condition here. So you should not exceed the size of the string. Okay, so basically this size should not exceed, right, which means the stack, because if we remove the elements from the stack, if it is empty it will pop out an error, right, when we ask to pop it out. So if not is empty function ampersand ch equal to let's say b, and again we are going to use stacks class here, method from the class, okay, which is pick function to check the previous element, okay. So it should, if it is a, then we are popping it out, okay. Okay, and ch is equal to ba, so again we are going to check for d, and start peak function should be c, obviously c. So if this satisfies the condition, we are going to pop it, else we are going to push the value of the character into the stack. So let's now return this, returning the size of the stack, start size function, okay, return the code here. Let's hope this runs well. Okay, what? Okay, let's just change this to str, and I didn't define here, I think. Then initialize this character, char ch is equal to start is start caret of I. So let's just run this again. Okay, guys, we should use length function here, not length, because this is not an array, right? Okay, let's just hope this runs. Once again I am getting an error here. Once again str, naming the variables is so difficult. Okay, got accepted. Let's just submit this. Phew. What less complexity here. So guys, I have another approach while I was doing this problem. May looks like some crazy approach, right? Guys, do you know about the infix to postfix, right? Infix to postfix approach, okay. In the infix to postfix we use precedence, right? Precedence values to solve the problem, to push the value on the stack. So okay, let's just solve the problem by using the method I am going to use here. I think how much complexity it will give. Stack character stack is equal to new stack for of int I is equal to 0. Okay, why did I remove this? Okay, I want that code. I want that code. Okay, I want this code, so I'm going to alter some parts in this. Okay, this is kind of an ugly code to look at, but this code is great. Okay, you can get a better understanding in here. We don't have to use these functions, okay, for checking the we don't need to use the peak function or some. Okay, we are going to call the function, we are going to use a function here. So let me just change this one. Okay, so let's create a function name like remove okay, stack dot peak function and ch. Okay, it's going to be crazy, guys, but this approach will be helpful when solving some other problems. Okay, other problems like infix to postfix. If you had solved the infix and postfix problem, you will get a clear idea what I'm going to do here. You know precedence, right? Now that's what I'm going to use here. I'm going to provide value here. Okay, value of char ch. Okay, going to use a switch case to apply the precedence values. Case, if the case is a colon return 1. Okay, now let's just copy this right quick. Copy the code, paste it, copy, paste. So this one should be B, this one should be C, and this one should obviously be D. So this one should be 2, and this one should be 3, this one should be 4. Okay, so now I'm going to use another method like to check the precedence values. Okay, so how do I use this in here? So guys, kind of like I'm going to return a boolean value here. The condition itself should check whether this is the true or false value. So I'm going to use a boolean value here. I'm going to make this problems a little complex, okay, but it should be easy to understand. Remove of char peak value. So I'm going to use a character p, okay, and character current value, the value we are going to add. Okay, I'll just mention this p for peak val and c for current val. Okay, so let's just return the boolean value if the value of, so we are going calling this value function here. So return the value of p, right? P is equal to 1 ampersand value of c is equal to 2, or we can also mention value of p plus 1, value of p plus 1. Okay, just I'm going to copy this, copy the value here, and I'm going to paste this value in here. We are going to use an OR operator. Just paste this. I'm going to change the value here as 3 and the value here as, okay, 3 itself is enough. So well, now all it's perfect. So let's just run this. See right away. Okay, I'm getting an error here in the line 22. Okay, this I left a default case, right? In stack we should use a default case. Default colon return 0. So and some others, I think I didn't miss nothing here. So this just run this. Not stack, just P S here. It just ran perfectly. So let's just submit this. So reduce just 5 cents. Okay guys, I hope you follow both the approaches, but I recommend you to solve another problem like infix to postfix conversion. Okay, it's just asked in many interviews. Okay, just don't forget it guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Okay, until then, goodbye.